Hello guys, welcome to Geek Squad Coding Series.
I am Vaishali Anand, and today's aim is to perform binary search using recursion.
So let's start writing our program, but before that we will see what will be our input and output. Our input will be an array of integers and the output will be the place of number that we have to find. Now first of all we will define our function. Defining function. So def binary. I will name the function as binary and the parameters will be ARR, that is the array, low index, high index, and X, the number to be searched. Now after this, inside the function we have first base case. As we are doing it using the recursion, that's why we have base case here. So if high is greater than or equal to low, if so, then we have to calculate the value of mid, the middle element, and that will be calculated by the formula high plus low division operator 2. What it will give? It will give an integer value on dividing high plus low by 2. So this will be the index of the middle element. Now we have the condition if the element is present at the middle position, that is if it will be inside this if condition, so it will be here if ARR of mid, that is the number at the middle position, is equal to X. Then what to do? Then we will return the index of middle element, that is return mid, and if it is not true, it is false, then elif condition, elif ARR of mid. So now if the middle element is smaller, so if it is smaller than the number, no, if the number is smaller than the middle element, then what to do? Then we will call the function again binary, but with ARR low and mid plus 1, mid minus 1, comma X. So what we did here is we created the first half of our array. So let us see what we have done till yet. We have defined the function, we had the base case, then after that we calculated mid, then we have checked if it is the middle element, if it is not, if the element is smaller element, and now we will check the last condition, that if this is also not true, if the element is bigger or larger, then in that case what to do? Then else return binary again, but parameters will change. It will be mid plus 1, so it will be after mid the value what is there, that will be there, and high and the element to be searched X. So this we have created the second half of our array. After this we will create another else condition for the previous if that we had. So else if it is not true, return -1. Let's run this, and it is giving no error, that is it is correct. Now let us write the driver code. So in driver code we will give some values for an array. Let it be -1. See, in binary search, we give the array in ascending order. So -1 or -2, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Okay, that's all. And then we will give the element to be searched. Let us keep. We will try all the cases. So first we will try with the middle element. So what is the middle element here? I think so 2 is the middle element, x equals 2. After giving this, we will call our function. So while calling the function, we will write result equals. So whatever it will return will be stored in result variable. So return binary arr comma low, and what will be low here? So low will be 0, the first index. High will be length of array -1, because it always goes from 0 till n -1. And the last element to be searched is x. After this, if result is equal is not equal to -1, if the result is not equal to -1, that means the element is present somewhere. So print element is at index. And what is the index? String of the result value that we have got. And else the value, if it is -1, then the element is not at all present in our array. So element is not present in array. Let's run this also. Element is at index 4. Let's check. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is giving us the correct output. So if I change it to 10, element is at index 8, that is correct. And if I give it as -1, element is at index 1, that is also correct. That means our code is correct. You can refer the code again if you want. So that's all for today. Thank you and happy learning.